Hey everyone, it's Baci. Welcome back to Baci's Learning Land. Whoa, look at what we have here. We have a lot of fun today. And if you like this adventure or any of my other adventures, don't forget to subscribe and save. Whoa, look, it seems like there are some numerals, some numbers at the bottom from 1 all the way to 10. Whoa, and look at these too. So as the numbers get bigger, so does the amount of rings they are. I wonder what these rings will do. Shall we check it out? Come on, let's go. All right, you know what was really interesting? When I found this toy, I also found this pot and this little kind of ladle to kind of mix things around. I wonder what this does. What do you think? Oh, right! Maybe if we get these rings inside the pot and we give it a nice stir, maybe there's something that will happen. Okay, so what number shall we start with? The number 1 or the number 10? All right, yes, let's start with the number 1. So for the number 1, we have 1 rings. Let's see what this does when we put it inside the pot. All right, here's number 1 with the token. So I've heard that for the magic pot to work, what we have to do is we have to put the token inside, give it the stir according to the number of tokens, and then a surprise will appear. Can you help me count? Thank you so much. All right, so you could also pretend and help me stir, okay? All right, we're going to open the pot, and we have number 1 here. Can you help me count the tokens inside? Thank you. 1 token. Now we have to give that amount of stirs too. Are you ready? 1 stir. Whoa. Now we're going to close it up, and now we wait. I think it's ready now. Let's see. Whoa. Look, inside the pot, there's an egg. So interesting. Let's keep going. That was so magical. I'm so happy. All right, we're going to go with the number 2. Well done. All right, I got our little tokens, and let's see what this one will bring. All right, we have the number 2 here, and now we are going to work together to count the tokens inside. Open our pot, so you can pretend, open the pot, and let's count the tokens inside. Ready? 1, 2. Whoa, good job. All right, now let's stir 2 times. Are you ready? 1, 2. Oh, all right, now put the lid back on. And now let's wait. All right, let's check. Whoa, look, it's flour. The special magic pot brought us flour. All right, we have 2 things already. I wonder what these things are for. Oh, so let's just continue. This is the number 3. All right, we got our tokens. We're ready to explore. Oh, number 3, what will it be? That rhymed because those words sound the same. All right, so here's number 3, and we have the tokens. So first we're going to open our pot, and we're going to count in the tokens. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Now let's get our spoon and give 3 stirs. 1, 2, and 3. Close the pot. Let's wait. All right, let's see. Open the pot. Whoa, it seems like it's sugar and someone is baking something. Wow, this is so interesting. Whoa, okay, let's keep that magic going. We have the number 4. Oh, in this beautiful dark green. Ready for number 4. All right, we're going to open the pot. Let's count together. Right now, there's 0 tokens in the pot. We're going to start with 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, now we're going to give 4 stirs. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to put that down, cover up, and... All right, what did number 4 bring? Oh, it's butter! Whoa, what is happening now? Whoa, all right, we finished the white, and then we finished the green, and now we're off to the yellows. All right, the first number in the yellow category is the number 5. Whoa, I can't wait to see what this one will bring. We're doing fantastic. Now we're going to go with number 5. All right, we can put our number 5 here, open our pot, and count with me. Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to get a spoon and we're going to stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Cover it up. All right, let's see what's inside. It's vanilla extract. Yummy. All right, so this is really interesting. Take a look at this. So we have finished from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We finished 5 numbers and we saw what the pot brought us. Now we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more numbers. Whoa! Do you realize that half of the numbers we already explored and we have another half? Yeah, all right, so let's continue. We are now on the yellow color with the number 6. Let's go. Here comes number 6. All right, let's open our pot. Can you count with me? Thanks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's stir. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's cover it up and let's see what happens. All right, are you ready to check? Can you open it with me? I'll count to 3 and then we say, open please. 1, 2, 3. Open please. Oh, it's milk. All right. After the number 6, we add one more. And if we add one more token, we get the number 7. Time for number 7. All right. Open the pot. Can you count with me, please? Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to give it a good stir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's cover it up. All right, let's say it. Open, please. It seems that it's pink icing. Whoa. 7, and then we go into the pinks for number 8. Whoa. There's more tokens every single time. Look at that. Almost there, friends. Now it's number 8's turn. Let's open the pot and can you count with me, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now let's give it 8 stirs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's cover it up. Let's see what's inside. Open, please. Whoa, take a look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. It kind of looked like sprinkles. Do you know what might be happening? Almost there, friends. We're on this number. Do you know what this number is? Yeah, it's the number 9. Whoa, the tokens are falling out of my hand. There's so many of them. I think we're ready for number 9. All right. We're going to take off the lid. And can you count with me, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're going to give it a nice stir. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's cover it back up. Open, please. Whoa. Oh, yummy. It's a piece of chocolate. This is looking delicious. last but not least, we have the number 10. Whoa. I'm going to need, both help of my hands for this one. The number 10. Friends, we made it all the way to number 10. Way to go. All right, let's open our pot. And now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now let's give it 10 stirs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we cover it up and let's see. Open, please. Oh, it's a fruit. Do you know what fruit this is? It's red and sometimes it has a green little stem. It's a strawberry. All right, so now we have our magic pot and we have all the ingredients that we got from the magic pot. What do you think we should do? Fantastic idea. What if we count each of the ingredients and we put some inside the pot? Let's see what happens. Are you ready? All right, we're going to open the pot and we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're going to try our best to cover it back up. And let's see what happens. Let's give it a tap. Boop. Whoa, all right, so it looks like it's all ready and it smells delicious. Are you ready? Do you want to count to 10 with me again? And I think I'll be ready. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whoa, look, we got a piece of cake. Oh, whoa, and a strawberry on top. That looks delicious. I could see the sprinkles, the chocolate, the strawberry on top, and all those yummy ingredients with the frosting. Look, there's the frosting and the cake and even frosting in the middle. Oh, how delicious. I want to thank you so much for helping me on this adventure. I could not have done it without your kindness. But wait, I think there's a surprise here. Are you ready with me? We could say open, please. Are you ready? Open, please. Hey, look, the magic pot has something special. It's a piece of cake for you. Whoa. All right, and with that, friends, I want to thank you so much. Don't forget, if you like this adventure or any of the other adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe. That way we can learn and explore together. Thank you so much, and I hope you liked your cake. Bye.
See ya soon.